So guys, OnePlus has done it again. I didn't think that they had it in them. I did not think that they can fuck up twice. Yes, they messed it up again, and the funny thing is that they are calling this a feature. Yes, the display issues are a feature. More on that in a minute. Also guys, for any queries about the Nord, give me a follow and DM on Twitter because comments get buried as I get so many of them daily. But I will reply to you on Twitter for sure. So you must remember my past two videos of the OnePlus 8 Pro covering the multiple issues that phone had. And hey, by the way, the third video on the OnePlus 8 Pro display issues is coming really soon. You must remember the color crushing, green tint and screen flickering issues which were happening on the OnePlus 8 Pro. Well, almost the exact same thing is now happening on the newly announced OnePlus Nord. People on Reddit and OnePlus forums have already reporting that their OnePlus Nord has been showing weird behaviors when the phone brightness is decreased below 50%. As you can see from this video, when the OnePlus Nord goes below 50%, it suddenly changes to dark purple. Then it goes green, which is an odd behavior because this is, at the end of the day, a constant grey image. This is happening to a small amount of devices, but because the OnePlus Nord still hasn't shipped in a lot of markets and is very new, when more people will get the OnePlus Nord, only then will we be able to tell the exact scale of defective OnePlus Nord devices. I really hope that it's not as huge as the OnePlus 8 Pro because just look at this poll, man. The OnePlus 8 Pro is crushing it. I mean in the wrong way, crushing the display. In this other image, we can see that the Nord has a pinkish shade over the bottom third of the phone. We can very clearly see the difference between the grey over here and the pink over here. This is a comparison of the OnePlus Nord with the OnePlus 5T. We can see that the newer Nord has the pink shade out of nowhere. In this place, I will say that the OnePlus 5T is doing a much better job. At least the colors are consistent on the 5T, unlike the Nord which is grey here and pink here. There have also been some reports of the black crush, and once again the green tint is also available on the OnePlus Nord. Come on OnePlus, what have you done this year? It's like your phones got infected with corona and the infection is now spreading. That's a joke, by the way. So now on to the matter of what OnePlus said about these issues. Well, this is the official statement. Here it goes. OnePlus Nord comes with a high quality 90Hz AMOLED screen. Under specific circumstances of low brightness, a slight display discoloration may occur due to the properties of AMOLED display. This is characteristic of all OLED displays and the degree of discoloration will vary depending on other properties of the display. This is not a quality issue and will not affect daily usage or the durability of the screen. OnePlus will continue to look into the cutting edge of display technologies and strive to deliver the best user experience possible. So yeah, they said it's normal. You sure OnePlus about this? Cause my Galaxy S9 Plus or S10 Plus doesn't do this. Neither does the iPhones, nor does your 8 or 7T. Only the OnePlus 8 Pro and the Nord is having this characteristic. So in what world is this normal, man? This is bullshit, OnePlus. I call capital letters BS. They call a defective display a characteristic, which might mean that they might also deny you a replacement for the OnePlus Nord because they consider the display issues as normal, man. So yes, if you buy the OnePlus Nord and end up having these issues, well, good luck because you are gonna need it. You might not get a refund or replacement from OnePlus. Let me know guys your thoughts on what has OnePlus done wrong this year to get to this point. Do subscribe, especially for the upcoming video on the display troubles which OnePlus 8 Pro is having, including all what has happened since I last made a video on that topic. Give me a thumbs up guys to support me because I'm gonna have a lots of thumbs down from OnePlus fans, and thanks for watching.